5 points to include in your data science resume as a fresher. For your first ever job, your resume should ideally be of only a single page. But if you're moving to data science from another field and you have some prior experience, then your resume can even be of 2 pages. The only difference between the two would be in the experience section, and what that difference is that I'll explain in this video. Now, this is apart from the basic details and your portfolio details and all of that. Now, the first point is experience. In the experience section, it would be your training experience. So you would have done some kind of certification course, and even if you have not done, you would have some training in data science or a related field. So in this section, you would have 3 to 4 bullet points where you write about your training experience in coding, data cleaning, data visualization, dashboarding experience, hands-on machine learning experience, model deployment if you have done that. So all that kind of experience would be included in the training experience part. Now, if you are an experienced professional, your experience section would be divided into 2 parts. The first part would be work experience, your actual work experience, and the second part would be similar to a fresher, that is your training experience. So in the first part, you would have to tweak your actual work experience to match that for a data science or data analytics role. Say you have come from a non-tech field. You wouldn't have done any kind of coding, but you would have at least worked on a spreadsheet. You would have made some kind of charts, some dashboards, some automation maybe used VBA or something similar to that. Any kind of analysis that you have done, include that part in this section. If you are coming from an engineering background, if you have done some kind of statistical analysis or worked on statistics, maths, you can include that part in this section. Anything related to data science, data analytics, tweak your experience in such a way that you can align your prior work experience to include data science, data analytics keywords into your work experience. Make your work experience section relevant to these roles. That's how you will present your work experience section. And training experience is similar to how I explained for the freshers roles. The second part is your project section. Now for this, I have already made a separate video, so you can refer to the link in the description below. Point 3 is education. Now in the education section, mention your graduation, post-graduation degrees, mention your certifications in data science, data analytics, or any other certifications that you have done. Don't mention your coding challenges or Kaggle competitions. Don't mention in this section. Only mention your actual education and other Udemy and Coursera certification. Also, if you have done, you can mention in this part. Now, point 4 is skills. Here you would have 2 sections. One is technical skills and soft skills. Now in technical skills, include all your technical skills. Your entire tech stack, your Python, SQL, R, Java, C++, any language that you know, your BI tools, Microsoft Office Suite, ML Ops, all the tech stack that you know of, machine learning, everything you can include here. And under the soft skills part, the important soft skills that you must include here are communication, collaboration, and critical thinking. You can include other soft skills also, but don't make the list too long. These are really important soft skills which you must include in this section. And the fifth part is your achievements and publications. This is the section where you will include your HackerRank certifications or Kaggle competitions or any other competitions that you have won, any research papers that you have written, publications, that also you can include in this section. These are the core 5 points that you should include in your resume. If you have any other place left, you can include your interests, hobbies and all. The main focus of the interviewer would be on your project section, experience and the skills part. So prepare very well in these parts of your resume. Make sure to include these 5 main points in the resume very well. Okay, so thank you for watching. For more tips in and around data science, do follow and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.